Hey friends! I'm Mary Ellen, and welcome to my channel. Life is messy, but I am learning as I grow. Where the glue gun is always plugged in, the garden is a little wild, and the pancakes are definitely plant-based. I share tasty vegan recipes, fun DIY crafts, a sprinkle of gardening tips, and a dash of family travel adventures, all with a side of, we're figuring this out as we go. If that sounds like your kind of chaos, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Let's learn, grow, and probably make a little mess along the way. Today we're making magic happen in the air fryer. We're talking warm, gooey, cinnamon-sugary apple donut holes that taste like fall had a party in your mouth. And get this, we're using crescent rolls. That's right. Store-bought, vegan-friendly, and ready to do all the hard work while we take the credit. No deep frying, no drama, just pop them in the air fryer and boom, you're a snack wizard. Let's get into it before I eat all the apples. Ingredients: 1 can of crescent rolls, 1 can of apple pie filling, 1/4 cup of plant butter, melted, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's start by mixing together your sugar and cinnamon. Fill the center of the donut hole with apple pie filling. Start with 1 crescent roll worth of dough and roll it into a ball. Coat your donut hole melted plant butter. Then roll your donut hole in the cinnamon sugar. Did you know donut holes might have been invented just because someone got tired of biting into raw dough in the middle of their donuts? Legend has it that in the 1800s, a sailor named Hanson Gregory punched out the centers so they'd cook evenly, and boom, donut holes were born. Accidental genius, and a win for snack lovers everywhere. Air fry on 375 degrees for about 5 minutes. Flip them halfway through. And there you have it, crispy on the outside, gooey apple goodness on the inside, and zero frying mess to clean up. Let cool before serving. These apple donut holes are easy, vegan, and seriously addictive. Don't say I didn't warn you. You can find a link to the written version of this recipe down in the video description, so it's easy to follow along anytime. And guess what? This recipe is also featured in my breakfast cookbook. I'll leave a link to grab your copy in the comments below. If you had fun with this one, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty and simple recipes, and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, stay sweet, stay snacky, and keep that air fryer working overtime.